In a lush, green forest, there stood a tall old tree. On one branch lived a talkative parrot, and nearby, a calm and wise Mynah bird. The parrot talked all day long. Mynah speaks sweet. Mynah speaks sweet. The Mynah simply smiled and listened quietly. One day, a fierce storm swept through the forest. The parrot's nest broke and fell to the ground. Scared and shivering, the parrot didn't know what to do. Just then, the Mynah flew down and said, "Come to my nest." Friendship isn't just about words, it's about standing by each other in tough times. From that day on, the parrot spoke less, and the two became the dearest pair in the whole forest. Moral: a true friend is one who stands with you in your time of need.